Imagine a world where becoming a landowner isn't just a dream, but an affordable reality. A world where the red tape, the paperwork, and the exorbitant costs are stripped away. This is the reality we've created, where for as little as $500 down, you can become a landowner in less than 5 minutes. Listen to the voices of those who've walked this path before you. Happy clients like Jane, who said, "The easy payment plans made my dream of owning land a reality. I couldn't believe how simple the process was." Or Mike, who shared, "I was able to buy vacant land on a monthly payment plan. It's an innovative rent-to-own program that worked for me." Our mission is to make land ownership easy and affordable. We've stripped away the agent fees and commissions, and we don't do credit checks. We offer exclusive off-market listings, and with our approach, there's always the potential for profitable resale. We've made the land buying process simple and hassle-free. Just ask our over 2,000 satisfied clients who have benefited from our easy payment plans. We've streamlined the process, making it possible even for beginners to invest in land. Whether you're looking to invest or simply want to own a piece of this earth, we make it possible. With land for sale on a low budget, you can become a landowner with ease. So why wait? The opportunity for affordable land ownership is here. Embrace it and join the ranks of happy landowners who have discovered the simplicity and affordability of our land buying process.